hula hoop, never seen.
Okay, so literally hulaing your way to a slimmer waistline. If it's a thing and it can give me a slimmer waistline, I'm still gonna try it. If you've never thought of adding hula hoops to your workout routine, then you could be missing out. We've got owner of Hula Fit JA, Melissa Bloomfield here. And all you need to work out with, Melissa, is a
hoop.
Morning.
Morning.
Hi, how are
you guys?
Very good, man.
So this is a real thing?
Yes, it is a real thing.
That is the first thing. I've never seen a hula hoop this big.
Yeah, they come in different sizes, and based on your body is the size that you need. But your hula hoop should always start from the floor and reach to your belly button. That's really supposed to be the
I didn't know that.
as far as the right size hoop.
Melissa, we've grown to know hula hoop as a game we used to play in prep school, right? When did it become an exercise and how does it work anything?
You know, hula hooping works your entire body if you use it the way you're really supposed to. Not just your waistline, you can use it on your arms. It's a full low impact body workout.
Low impact?
Low impact.
Okay,
it's
so we're seeing in the screen some of your clients.
Yeah, man, it's just as if you're running, you burn a lot of calories. You can burn up to 600 calories an hour hooping.
Are you serious?
Melissa, this is too big to stay up.
No, man, I bet you say you can make it
look
stay
to
up.
Melissa, see you. Hi.
Hello. So you're going so bad inside of the pool. And what he's doing, guys, you don't have to do all of that. It's pretty simple. You just have to move your waist from side to side.
One time I could hula hoop, now I can't hula hoop.
You can though. I promise you can.
Wasn't I good just now?
You were just really good. You were just really, really good.
Yes, my bike pack.
Sit there, look at that.
And let me move the pack so I don't mash it up.
It's pretty simple, man.
Why you pick up it?
Because I don't want you to step on it.
I don't want to step on it, sir. Okay. So the rule of hulaing is just
all right, so
fling
start
it and
with it. Yeah, so push it whichever side is best for you because everybody has their strong side and their weak side. So for me, going this way is best for me. Say, but you don't know what you're doing, don't you never need me to come on.
We need some music.
How long you're supposed to do it to really get something out of it?
You can work out for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour a day. 15 minutes, you can work up a sweat easily.
No, so when you say an hour, you go straight?
Yeah, man, you go straight. You do different moves with it. You enjoy it with the music. Once you put the music on and you can feel that music, trust me, you get lost inside of the hoop. But you guys know what to do. I thought I was going to come on there and I was going to fall it down. Yeah, man.
Go there.
How about you bend those knees? Can you go down a little bit for me?
It's not a problem. It's not a problem.
How about you turn with it?
Okay, now we're getting.
No, it's not a problem. It's not a problem.
I'm loving it. Good job, guys.
All right, come again, Nell. Give us something. Give us something hard.
Yeah,
all right, so let's go like this.
No.
Come on, you can't put one foot forward. Just put one foot forward and dance with it, man.
Actually, in a very serious way, this actually feels like it's easier to do with a bigger one.
It is.
Because with the smaller one, I mean, it kept...
A bigger and heavier hoop. So this hoop is about 1.5 pounds.
Yeah.
42 inches in diameter. And these can be adjusted too. So the better you get with your hoop,
what you mean by adjusted?
You can take out one part and it adjusts to a smaller hoop.
By the way, you said you didn't have to do it the way we were doing it. How else you
No, because you were going like this inside of the hoop. So a lot of people, when they pick up a hoop, they tend to go with all of this because they feel like they have to do all of that. When really and truly, I haven't really moved much.
So how did you discover this?
Well, a friend of mine discovered Hoop Yogini, which is a transformational fitness regime which includes hooping and yoga and mindful meditation. We picked up some hoops, but we picked up the small ones. Right. And they just didn't work out for us. So we kind of just put it down and never do it again. She went away and discovered these hoops, brought them back, went over to her house, picked it up, and it stayed up. And for me, it was the best high I have ever felt in my life. And I couldn't stop. I started posting videos for 30 days. It was my own 30-day challenge. And people just kept messaging me, asking me if I'm doing hoop classes, and I was really just hooping for myself. what made me really want to start though is when I started seeing the changes
in
my body and my mind.
Okay, we only have a minute. Give me something like a routine.
A routine.
Yeah.
All right. So what are we gonna? Okay, so actually let's do some off the body because you don't only have to use.
No, just give me a routine.
Really good
if I came to the
gym.
gym.
You came to the gym. All right, let's get some music in, and you guys are gonna do this with me. So we're gonna dance with it.
This is working our arms.
You're
you can't trick
arms.
me. You cannot trick me, man. It's fun, but it's
how about we get a little turn in there?
What do you mean? Me like it. Me like it.
And bring it down.
Me like it.
All right, let's put it back on the waist.
And put it back.
And down. Up. Go down. And up.
No further.
Let me see you move forward with that. You guys are doing great. You guys are amazing.
Are you okay?
All right.
This is fantastic. Tell me about the session. How long is the session and how much
So our sessions have been going at In Motion
Can you hold
Fitness.
on with two?
Can you?
I don't know. Can you? Show me.
Let's try.
That means yes, you can't.
Just show off, is it?
Show off.
Yeah.
But can you hold
time
on?
We've been at In Motion for the past 5 weeks. We actually just finished our 5-week workshop. Yesterday was our last 5 week. We will be rolling out another 5 week. So just check out Hula Fit JA for more information.
I love this.
Yeah, morning classes and evening classes. We are doing some online classes also. And we'd love to see you guys. It's not just child's play.
Yeah, man.
All right,
True,
so
it's
yeah,
a good
man.
workout.
Blessings. She's the owner of Hula Fit JA, Melissa Bloomfield.
Nefred, show me your tricks. Jump through hoops. Ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set.